Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your boy DJ Mo, and today we are going to a new spot. Um, Today we're gonna be fishing the structure. We're gonna be fishing close to a bridge and deeper holes. So since it's been really hot lately, I think that's gonna be the best way to find the fish. We got the kayak with us, and we got chicken liver as bait. So hopefully we can catch a few of them. Before we do that, we're gonna stop and get some coffee, and we got 1 hour driving time to this new spot. So I'll see you guys when I get closer and I get to the water.
So I just want to emphasize one thing, and it is the use of a life vest. I consider myself pretty good swimmer, but having a PDF with me made me feel a lot more safe. If I ever flip, it will definitely save my life. Um, so I will consider investing good money on a good life vest and wear it whenever you are in the water, especially when there's a lot of boats around that can make you flip.
We got one. Alright, it's not my PV, but it's a fish. Tiny little catfish. Channel cat. See all these spots right here? That means he's a juvenile. So, alright guys, first fish of the day, to the hook out. Let it go. It's a little fish, but it's a fish. Hopefully we can get into bigger fish. Started warming up, but there he goes. So let me show you my setup. Main line, and I got my egg sinker right here. I got a bead to protect that knot, a swivel, a short leader, all right, and I got a circle hook. So that's all I'm doing, guys, and I'm fishing right there by that structure, using chicken liver as bait. As you guys know, it works good for channel catfish. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right there. Pretty simple. Okay, so now we're gonna cast it back there between those pylons right there and those rocks. That seems to be the ticket right now. Right there. So we're fishing right there where those pylons are. You see what those rocks are? There's a big drop off right there. So it seems it doesn't make sense to be so close to shore, but the fact that the rocks are there and the pylons are there, that's the structure, and then it goes super deep right away right here, probably like 30 feet down here. So that's exactly where I caught that fish right there. So hopefully we can get a bigger one. There gotta be a bigger fish around this area. Oh, got another one, guys. Like I was saying, that spot is hot right now. This is a little better size fish. a little better sized fish. Okay. Oh. All right. Okay. Come here. Got him. Okay. All right, guys. Second fish of the day. It's a little bigger. It's really long. So this is a channel catfish. Really long channel catfish, big head. As you can see. They're getting a little bigger. This one's long and skinny. He needs to eat a little more. But gotta let him go. And we're going the right way. We're going bigger size. So hopefully the next one we catch is really, really big. That's the idea anyways. So we're gonna let him go right here. See if it's ready. The grippers are wide open. There he goes. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it a day. It's super hot out there, and unfortunately I have to work later today, so I have to be out of the water. But I'm gonna leave you with some of this footage of a different outing that I went last weekend with my friend, catfishing from the bank. So I hope you enjoyed that, and again, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you guys on the next adventure.
¿Estás grabando?
Sí, estoy grabando. Alright, got the first one. Hell yeah. First fish of the day. Y está grandecito. Alright, that's what I'm talking about. Hey, wait, ahí in that bag, ahí in the fish grips, güey. Pásamelas. Son unas blancas, güey. Alright, y'all, so the first fish of the day. Been here for a couple minutes, and we're here like an hour plus. I'm fishing with my body today. We're at the Pay Lake, and this is the first fish we got. So, no. Let's see what we got. Hey, relax. Ew. Okay. Alright, so I let this fish go. First one of the day. Make sure it's good to go. Seems pretty good to go. So, see you later, buddy. And there he goes.
As usual, guys, thank you for watching. I appreciate everybody that watches these videos. And if you love this video, just hit thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next fishing adventure.